In this video, we explore problems involving three-dimensional objects by identifying right-angled triangles and then using Pythagoras to help us solve the problem. For example, if we want to find the height of a cone, where we can easily measure the diameter and the slant height of the cone, we can form this right-angled triangle and use Pythagoras to calculate the height. If we have a cuboid with known dimensions, and we want to find the length of an interior diagonal, then we can isolate right-angled triangles within the cuboid and apply Pythagoras to help us work out the required length. In this example, we want to estimate the volume of a perfume bottle that can be modelled by a cone. The diameter is 10.4 centimeters, and the slant height is 8.5 centimeters. The formula for the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h, where r is the cone's radius and h is the cone's height, which we'll need to calculate. We draw a diagram with the known information, including the radius of 5.2 centimeters. Then we isolate this right-angled triangle and use Pythagoras to calculate the cone's height. Substituting the values into the formula, we subtract 5.2 squared from both sides to get h squared by itself, and take the square root to give h. Enter this into a calculator and we get the cone height of 6.72 centimeters. Now we can substitute the radius and height into the formula for a cone's volume. 1/3 times pi times 5.2 squared times 6.72. Enter this into a calculator to get a volume of approximately 190 cubic centimeters. And so the estimate for the bottle's volume is 190 cubic centimeters, or 190 milliliters. In this example, a truck has a cargo space that can be modelled by a cuboid. The internal measurements of this space are 3.6 meters high, 2.5 meters wide, and 6.4 meters long. Now imagine that a length of thin metal pole is to be transported by this truck. How can we calculate the longest length that will fit in this cargo space? First, we draw a diagram and label the vertices. The longest length, x, will be any interior diagonal, or space diagonal, of the cuboid. In this case, we've drawn the space diagonal AG, which is part of the right-angled triangle AGF. We could use Pythagoras to work out length x if we knew the length of the face diagonal AF. And since AF is part of the right-angled triangle ABF with two known sides, we can use Pythagoras to calculate AF. Substitute into the formula, take the square root, and we'll get an answer of 6.87 meters on a calculator. Now we can use Pythagoras on this triangle to work out the required length x. Substitute into the formula, and take the square root, then use a calculator to give x equals 7.76. And since we're talking about the longest length of pole that will fit, we can truncate this value to 7.7 meters.